So hello friends, welcome back to another video. So finally Wipro announced the Wipro will mass hiring for financial year 26. So in this video I am going to discuss about how you can apply in this hiring, and I will also share the direct apply link for this hiring and last day to apply for this hiring. What is the eligibility criteria for the Wipro WILP mass hiring, and what is the designation for this hiring? What is the stipend for this hiring? For this hiring there is not fixed CTC, so they will provide a stipend, and also discuss about how many months of service agreement or the bond for WILP mass hiring, and also discuss complete hiring process of the Wipro WILP, and what if you have backlogs and who can apply in this hiring. So all these things I will discuss in this video in details, so don't skip any part of this video, and without wasting any time, let's get started. So I have opened the official website in which the hiring details are mentioned. So first I will discuss about the eligibility criteria. Who is eligible for this hiring? So here in the first point you can see you must have completed 10th and 12th standards. So in the second point, years of graduation, it means the 2024 batch and 2025 batch are eligible for this hiring. And the next point is you must have 60% or 6.0 CGPA in graduation. And the next point is full-time BCA or BSc students from computer science background, information technology, mathematics, statistics, electronics or physics can apply in this hiring. No part-time, correspondence or distance learning degrees will be accepted, and open school or distance education is only allowed for the 10th and 12th standards, and one backlog is allowed till the assessment stage. Candidates are expected to clear the backlogs along with the 6th semester, or you can also clear the backlog before the document verification process. And the next point is a maximum gap of 3 years in the education is allowed between the 10th standard to the commencement of the graduation. And the last point is no gaps are allowed in the graduation period. Graduation should be completed within 3 years from the start of the course. So these are the main eligibility criteria for this hiring. Now I will discuss about the additional criteria that is also important for this hiring. So here you can see the additional criteria. You must have had core mathematics as one of the subjects in graduation. Business maths or applied maths will not be considered, and you must be an Indian citizen or you have a PIO, OCI card, etc. etc. And Bhutan or Nepal citizens must submit a citizenship certificate. Those who have participated in any of the Wipro selection process in last 3 months are not eligible. So you have previously applied in the hiring and also you want to apply in this hiring. So firstly you have to serve a cooling period of 3 months, and after that you will able to apply in this hiring. So now moving forward to the selection process or how you can apply in this hiring. Here you can see the step 1 is registration. Register for Wipro's Work Integrated Learning Program 2025 by filling up a simple form. So basically I have provided a link in the video description. So simply when you click on that link you will be redirected into this website, and simply you have to scroll down, then you can see direct superset apply link. Simply you have to click on the Wipro WILP mass hiring 2025 apply now. When you click on it, it will redirect you to the superset account. Then you will get to see this type of interface. Here you can see the last date to fill this application is 30th September 2025, but this is not the correct last date. Maybe they will close this hiring before the 30th September 2025. So if you are interested in this opportunity, you have to apply in this hiring as soon as possible. And how you can apply? So simply you have to click on the apply now button, then you will get to see this type of interface. Simply you have to write your email here. After entering your email you have to click on next button. If you have not registered in the superset, you have to create a new superset account, then you are able to apply in this hiring. If you have already registered with superset, then simply you have to enter your password here, then simply you have to click login, and after successfully login you will be redirected to the job profile tab of the superset. For me it is showing not eligible because I am BTech graduate, so that's why I am not eligible for this hiring. But those candidates who are eligible for this hiring, they can see an apply button here. So simply you have to click an apply button, and then they want resume. Simply you have to select resume, and after submitting the resume they will ask some questions, then you have to answer that, and simply you have to submit the application. After submitting the application you will get a mail and also you will get to see your application was successfully submitted, and that's how you can apply in this hiring. And now we'll discuss about the hiring process. So the step 1 is registration, and the second step is online assessment. All the eligible candidates will be invited to take an 80 minutes online assessment that will test your verbal, analytical, quantitative and written communication skills. After clearing the online assessment, step 3, that is business discussion round. If you get through the online assessment, you will be called for the business discussion round with Wipro team. And if you successfully clear the business discussion round, it is basically a technical interview and HR interview. If you successfully clear the business discussion round, you will get a letter of intent. It means you are selected. After the letter of intent, the next step is pre-skilling training. In this training, basically candidates will be invited for an in-depth training journey to better prepare you for your job role in the Wipro. And after successfully clearing the Wipro pre-skilling training exams, then you will get offer letter from the Wipro. Here you can see congratulations for clearing all the rounds. Simply wait for the recruitment team to send you the offer letter, and you have to accept it and get ready to join the Wipro. And after receiving the offer letter, you will be onboarded in some days. And now we'll discuss about the stipend and the joining details after the offer letter. When you received an offer letter, these are the joining details. So your designation will be as a scholar trainee. You will be selected as a scholar trainee for this hiring, and they will provide stipend. So stipend for the first year, you will receive a stipend of INR 15,000 plus 488 ESI plus joining bonus of rupees 75,000 along with the first month stipend. And in the second year, you will receive a stipend of INR 17,000 plus 533 ESI. And for the third year, you will receive a stipend of INR 19,000 plus 618 ESI. And for the fourth year, you will receive a stipend of INR 23,000. So this is the structure of the stipend you will get during the training. And now the main thing is training agreement or the bond. So you will be required to sign a training agreement for 60 months upon the joining. And here is a note. You will be liable to pay a sum of INR 75,000 on pro rata basis if you leave the organization before 5 years of the training agreement. If you leave the Wipro before the 5 years of the training, then you have to pay 75,000 on pro rata basis based on their policy. So these are the joining details after accepting the offer letter. So now I want to tell you, if you want to prepare for the online assessment or business discussion round, then I have made PDFs for it. The candidates who completed their exams in the previous phases or the candidates who completed their interviews in the previous phases. So I have compiled that all the interview questions and online assessment questions in the PDFs. You can access that PDFs. I will make a separate video related to the online assessment and the business discussion round. You can see that, and also I have already made these videos. You can check out in my YouTube channel. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like the video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the latest updates regarding the Wipro and any other company. So let's meet in the new video. Thank you guys.